Welcome to a quick guide on how to view blocked commenters on your Instagram stories. If you've ever wondered who's been trying to chime in but you've blocked them, this updated method will help you see those names and manage your comments more effectively. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Head to your profile by tapping the profile icon in the bottom right corner. From there, access the menu by tapping the icon in the top right corner. This opens a few different options for how you want to customize your experience. Scroll down until you find comments. This is the hub for everything related to who can interact with your content. In the comments section, look for the option labeled Who Can Comment and tap on Stories. This section controls the commenting rules specifically for your story posts. Now you'll see several choices for who can comment on your stories. Tap on Block Comments From. This is where the system lists accounts you've blocked from commenting on your stories. By selecting this, you can review and manage the list of blocked commenters. As you review the list, you'll get a clear view of who's currently blocked from contributing to your stories. If you decide you want to remove someone from blocked status, you can simply uncheck or remove them from this list. Conversely, if you realize a block needs to stay in place for peace of mind, you can keep them there. Keeping an eye on blocked commenters helps you maintain a positive and safe space for your audience. It also gives you the flexibility to adjust your settings as your circle changes, whether you're curating a more open chat or maintaining stricter boundaries for your stories. If you want, you can combine this with broader privacy controls, such as who can reply to your stories or who can share them. Small tweaks here can make a big difference in your day-to-day Instagram experience. That's the updated path to view blocked commenters on your stories.